Welcome to today's video and thank you for being here today again. I'm being consistent on YouTube. That's good, that's good. I hope you are enjoying the videos. And today I wanted to make a video especially for you guys, for beginners, to review vocabulary, words, collocations, phrasal verbs to use when you want to go shopping in England. So I remember when I was in England and the first time I was there, I didn't know what to say when I entered the shop or to talk to the people there. I was a bit stressed, to be honest, and I didn't want people to talk to me because I didn't know what to answer. So to help you with that, I'm going to give you some words and we are going to learn and practice together. So imagine you go to London and you want to go to the famous Primark, so the biggest Primark in London, and you want to see the Harry Potter department. I see you. The Harry Potter department is huge, it's very big in England, in the Primark of London, and they have lots of things. So I like to go there personally, but I'm sure you heard about Primark wherever you are. Okay, so let's dive in. So when you enter the shop, okay, so you go to the shop, you go to Primark and you enter, what happens? What happens? What do you say? So first you say hi, hello to the people you see and meet, but then if someone asks you something like, can I help you? You can answer, I'm just looking, thank you. I'm just looking, thank you. Or you can say, I'm just browsing, thank you. I'm just browsing. So both means you don't want help, you just want to look yourself and search yourself. Remember, I'm using present continuous here, so be plus ing, because it's at the moment, it's right now, okay? I'm just looking, thank you. Now, if you don't find what you want, you can ask someone. So you can say, sorry, can you tell me where this item is? Can you tell me where this item is? An item is a piece of clothes, for example, or anything you can buy, really. Now imagine you're looking for Harry Potter pyjamas. So you can ask, where can I find the Harry Potter pyjamas? And the answer is going to be there, here, on the first floor, okay? So you find the Harry Potter pyjamas and it's not the right size. So you need to ask, size? Do you have other sizes? I'm size 4, 5, 6. In England it works like that. But you have the European sizes on a tag normally. So the sizes, maybe the colors. Do you have other colors? I like the red one, but maybe you have a blue one. Okay, so you have your clothes, you have your pyjamas, you need to try them. You need to try them. So you say, I need to try them on, to try something on. Okay, so you want to try them on, you need to go to a fitting room, or a changing room. Two options here. So you go to the fitting room and you say, can I try these items on? Can I try these items on? Okay, so you try them on, so you have the beautiful Harry Potter pyjamas on, and you turn to your friend and you ask, does it fit me? Does it fit me? So is it good on me? Is it too big, too small, or is it good? Does it fit me? Another option is, does it suit me? Does it suit me? And if the answer is no, then you need to change and try something else. So maybe you went to Primark to buy other things than pyjamas. Maybe you wanted a dress for a dinner party. So if you want a dress for a dinner party, you can't wear pyjamas to the party. It's not suitable. It's not suitable. So again, your friend can say, They are good, they are okay, but they are not suitable for the dinner party. So you can't wear them for the dinner party. You need to find something else. Now, other things you might see in a shop is a bargain or on sale. If you find something and it's a bargain, it means the price is very interesting. Maybe it's reduced, or maybe you can buy 2 and get 50% off. Okay, it's a bargain. Or on sale. On sale means 20% off, 30% off, etc. Now, if you look at your clothes, you're going to have a tag. The tag is where you have the price, the information, made in a country, so all the different information. Then you go home and you have your Harry Potter pajamas, but the size is not actually good or the color is not good, so you want to go back to Primark and change it. So that's where you're going to find a refund and exchange department or floor, because in Primark you have a specific floor. So you go there and ask for a refund or an exchange. You can have different options. Refund, exchange. A refund is when you want to give your pajamas back. So you return your pajamas and you want the money. Okay? So the money you paid for the pajamas, you want it back. An exchange is maybe you want to change the size, and make sure to check your receipt. So the receipt is the paper you have when you pay something with the price on it, and usually the return policy. The return policy is how many days you have to return or exchange your clothes, your item. Very, very important to check that. And yeah, I think that's it, guys. It was already quite good and quite a lot of vocabulary. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!